everyone, and welcome back to another episode of GobbledyCook. Today I'm super excited to bring to you another gem that originated in the kitchens of Bengal during the British colonial era. Jalfrezi. This is a delicious and mildly spiced tomato-based curry. Originally made with chicken or turkey, this dish gained such widespread popularity in India that today it is made with many different kinds of key ingredients such as mutton, paneer or mixed vegetables. The version that I'll show you today is made from mixed vegetables. But why is the dish called Jalfrezi and what does it really mean? Stay with me to find out. And if you like our recipes and our channel, please do hit the subscribe button below so you can stay on top of our latest updates. Without much further ado, let's get gobbledygooking. Slice some bell peppers. Slice the baby corns. Slice the bamboo shoots. Slice the carrots as well into matchsticks. Try to keep all the veggies to the same size. Cut the green beans and the mushrooms. Slit the green chilies. Cut the cauliflower into florets. Slice the onions. Finely chop the cilantro. Chop one tomato and reserve the other for later use. Peel some ginger into juliennes. Pound together some ginger and garlic. Now we'll make a spice slurry. Combine red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and turmeric with a dash of water and mix well. Set this aside. Let's boil the baby corns and cauliflower. Add about half an inch of water and microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes. Heat ghee or clarified butter in a pan. Add cumin seeds and let splutter. Add red chilies and saute for a few seconds. Add the julienne ginger. Add the sliced onions and the slit green chilies. Cook until onions are translucent and slightly golden. Add the ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. Add the chopped tomatoes. Cook for 2 minutes or till tomatoes are fully mushy. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Add carrots and mushrooms. Add salt to taste. Cover with a lid to let the veggies cook. And while that's cooking, have you ever wondered what the word Jalfrezi means or where this dish came from? This recipe, yet again, originated in the kitchens of Bengal during the colonial era. The British were known to host lavish feasts, and quite a bit of the spread would be left over for the kitchen workers. The feast menu typically comprised of chicken or turkey roast and boiled vegetables. So the cooks and workers in the kitchens found it a tad too bland and would spice it up with chilies, onions, and other local spices. The word jhal means spicy in Bangla, and frezi comes from the Persian word parhezi, meaning fit for consumption. A hot, spicy meal fit for consumption. Jalfrezi. Let's get back to the recipe. Once vegetables are cooked, add the spice slurry. Add the bamboo shoots, capsicum and beans. Whatever vegetables you use, add them in reverse order to the time it takes to cook them. Add butter and black pepper. Add the boiled cauliflower and baby corn. Chop up the remaining tomato into big chunks and add. Incorporate everything well and cook for about 5 minutes. Add the green peas. Add tomato ketchup and garam masala. Add the chopped cilantro. Garnish with the julienned ginger. Serve hot and enjoy.